guys, if you click this video, you already know what time of the month it is, and I really wish I wouldn't word it like that, and yet I always forget till the second I hear it come out of my mouth. Also applies. But, I am talking about Ipsy Glam bag time of the month. So, it's here. I need to get this open. Okay. And sure there's nothing else in here. Okay. Sometimes they do. So look at how cute the bag is. With the eyelashes like that, part of it makes me think Eliza Minnelli, part of it makes me think of Breakfast at Tiffany's with the sleep mask that she had with the eyelashes just like this on it, except it was blue, not black, but it's really cute. It's just like this soft, cottony, like really like flexible canvas almost. It's very nice. And look at how cute the pull tag is. It's gold and sparkly and I like it. Excuse me. So we're gonna go ahead. Okay. So here's our little card. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Ooh, I like the stars on it, which is really, really appropriate since I'm seeing Ringo Starr this month. So, yeah, there's that. And the glittery one makes me think of him. It's like the ones that were on his Vertical Man album. So anyway, hashtag Ipsy September 2018. Disrupt the system, smash the status quo, make some noise. This month's glam bag plus your 5 personalized picks are here to help you stand out from the crowd, create a scene, and express your own unique beauty. I was going to say identity. Want to color outside the lines? Head over to the Ipsy app for tons of inspo on how to break beauty rules. Want more reasons to lash out? Literally. Here's some of Ipsy shoppers' top lash boosting formulas. Bosom Cosmetics Lash Mascara, Bare Minerals Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara, Ico Lash Alert Mascara. P.S. Don't forget to rate your picks by September 30th to get even more customized picks the next month. Only on Ipsy Shopper, 30% cash back on all of these. Cool, so it's an overglorified ad. That's cool. So first thing we have, ooh, it's a different Luxie brush. This is a 140 detail tapered blender brush from Luxie. I hope it's as soft as they usually are. Ooh. Oh, it is, but oh, that's so weird. Okay, so here it is. I thought it was black on the website, but it's more of like a slate gray. Oh, that's so soft. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. You know me. I love to just like run them over my face because they are so freaking soft. Okay, so that is the brush that I got. It is so cute. And it's not pink! So there's that. Okay, back in the bag, you! Okay. That's the first item. Number 2 is in some bubble wrap. What do we have here? So this is Manicadar Beauty Step 3 Perfect. Why am I thinking of South Park with the underwear gnomes? Step 1, steal underpants. Step 2, Step 3, profit. The Step 3 made me think of that because I'm a loser. So, on one side, the color is Nemesis, and on the other side, it's Medusa. Longwear eyeshadow made in China. That's cool, I guess. Can't really open it without unsealing it, so I guess I'm just gonna leave it, but one side's a nice shimmery gold, the other one's a brown. Both are colors I would wear. Okay, next thing. Ooh. Oh shit, I got something from Smashbox! Okay, Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert! Ah, perfect for BeatleBabe! Oh my gosh, I'm honestly so stoked to actually have a Smashbox thing. Let's see if it has a scent. Oh, it smells weird. Look at the applicator, it's so trippy. That's so cool. Okay, let me really carefully get that back in there. Oh, it like clicks into place. Well, that's fun. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be a nice color on, by the way. I can't wait. Okay. Now hold on, I have to let my dog out real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. I am back. So this next item is a really tiny little tube. This is by Dr. Brandt, which I feel like I've heard of. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I feel like I've heard that name before. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. That's interesting. I bet this is like really expensive stuff if you have like a full-size tube of it, and that's why like the sample has to be so itty-bitty teeny tiny. But still, we all know I can always use exfoliator. And then, last item, I feel a box. Feels heavy. Oh, I have a feeling it's nail polish. Ooh, it's another one by Pretty Woman. Oh, Pretty Woman does good nail polishes, and it's like one of the few that's like a natural nail polish that actually dries relatively quickly. I like that. Let's see here. Try to find a color nail. Oh, Nude or Nothing. Boring. Well, that's not so bad. But, you know, with my skin tone, that's... I mean, it's darker than my skin tone, but not by a lot. I don't know about that one. It's pretty close to my skin tone. But I guess that's why they have to call it Nude or Nothing. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the box. It'll get a review eventually. I don't know when, but eventually it shall. So, anyways, those are the 5 items I got this month in my Ipsy Glam bag. If you're an Ipsy member and you film videos like this too, unboxing yours, let me know down below in the comments if you filmed one, because I'd love to watch yours too. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like me, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts. They're all listed down below in the description. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link is also down in the description. So anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.